Welcome back to Motor Insight. Today, we're taking a closer look at a factory-level race machine straight out of the crate, the 2025 Honda CRF250R Works Edition. If you're looking for championship performance in a 250 cubic centimeters package, this upgraded CRF is designed to deliver on every corner, jump, and straight. Let's break it down. Eye-catching factory style. Right away, the CRF250R Works Edition commands attention. The bike carries aggressive Honda racing graphics, a metallic red frame, and gold-did Dirtstar LTX wheels that scream premium. A Hinson clutch cover adds another layer of factory touch, reminding us this isn't your regular CRF, it's built for serious racers. From the graphics to the anodized triple clamps, every part of this bike is built to reflect its purpose: race-winning capability with undeniable style. Powerplant precision, ported and tuned. The engine is where the Works Edition really sets itself apart. It retains the same 249 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder four-stroke base, but with significant factory-level enhancements. Honda has ported the cylinder head for smoother airflow, added a Yoshimura full exhaust system, and recalibrated the ECU for stronger throttle response and linear power delivery. These changes result in a broader power band, quicker pickup, and enhanced acceleration out of corners. Dialed-in suspension for aggressive riders. Suspension tuning is another area where the Works Edition shines. The Showa 49mm coil spring fork comes with special factory-level internals that offer greater resistance to bottoming. At the rear, the Showa shock is also retuned to balance out the aggressive front-end setup, giving riders superior control through rhythm sections, whoops, and harsh landings. This suspension setup is tailored for serious motocross action. The chassis remains composed and planted, even when you're pushing the limits on rutted, fast-paced tracks. Lightweight chassis, race-tested geometry. Honda's proven twinspar aluminum frame stays in play here, optimized for rigidity and responsiveness. The low center of gravity and mass centralization help make the CRF250R Works Edition feel agile and flickable, especially in tight corners and technical sections. With its narrow bodywork and refined layout, rider input translates directly into motion. Final verdict. The 2025 Honda CRF250R Works Edition is a complete package for riders who want race-level performance with factory refinement. From the ported engine and Yoshimura exhaust to the specialized suspension and iconic Honda handling, it's ready to dominate right off the showroom floor. If you're serious about racing or simply want a bike that delivers elite performance in every ride, this Works Edition is worth every bit of attention. Thanks for watching Motor Insight. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews and insights on the latest bikes. See you in the next video.